Now, traditional rulers in Abia State have called for urgent efforts to revive and preserve the Igbo culture, which they say is gradually eroding due to the influence of modern religion and lifestyles. Nora Okafor has this report.
Celebrations like the Fala Festival, New Yam Festival, or the indigenous masquerade rites are some of the unique cultures of the Igbo people. But despite these rich cultural heritage, traditionalists claim the Igbo culture is gradually eroding. These claims stem from the historical impact of British colonization, the pervasive influence of globalization, and shifts in religious practices. At this New Yam Festival celebration held at Omozombo Hichowa in Arochukwu local government area of Abia State, traditional rulers debunked claims that the Igbo culture, especially traditional festivals, are fetish. According to the royal fathers, various cultural events are held throughout the year to promote and safeguard the identity, values, and traditions of the Igbo people.
Things we do to keep our culture going. New Yam Festival is on the show of this time. In Igbo land, we have other cultural place we display at any time, given time. And most importantly, we are trying to tell our people to use our language.
One of our cultures that we try to maintain in Igbo land, just like how we revere kola nut, and then we try to maintain this culture because we are reviving all this our culture and maintaining our culture.
However, they lamented the declining interest among the younger generation in cultural preservation.
It's a very big error. If this is our dispensation, they do not try and make sure that our tradition is come back. Maybe our yet unborn may not have what they know that is our tradition.
The next generation, they are our children. They are seeing us now doing it. At the same time, we are introducing it to them. That tradition cannot be forgotten totally.
The monarchs also used the occasion to call on the government and relevant stakeholders to revive farming systems in the region as a means of combating food insecurity and ensuring food sufficiency.
I call the federal government to help us make sure that there's food in the country by providing the necessary amenities for the youths.
Abia State Governor Alex Oti, who was also present at the event, commended the traditional rulers for their commitment to sustaining the cultural heritage of the land.
Our prayer is that even next year will be better than this year.
Standing in the hearts of Igbo land, we witness tradition and culture rooted in the determination of the traditional rulers to ensure its sustainability. From the breaking of kola nuts to the rhythm of the drums, we see a generation that is ready to pass the culture down to another generation. A culture, they say, they would never allow to die. From Omozombo Ihechowa in Arochukwu local government area, Nora Okafor, Arise News.
Commissioner, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Administration of the Gregory University, Oturu. And on that note, please permit me to request, of course, onye Zeganina Bata, Onyishan, Yana Batachaya, chairman for today's event, Ekwoku, Anye, one of the cultural troops to now traditionally welcome His Excellency and then move on with the rest of our activities. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Igbo,